Does this ever happen to you? Take a look. The rack here is all cockeyed in the dishwasher, and this happens all the time, whether you buy an expensive or a cheap dishwasher. Let's see what the issue is. Okay, so essentially, these rollers have come off of their track here. This is the track, that's where it's supposed to be, but it has fallen down. So you might think you can just put them right back on there, easy peasy, but no, that's not the problem. The problem is that this silly thing falls out. So I found this guy inside the dishwasher, and we gotta put that sucker back in. Let's take a look at what it looks like when it's actually installed. This one is still installed right there, and that's what we gotta do to the other side. All right, so if we just have a look here, you see that this just slides right off of that white roller there. So we wanna put it on the roller, and now this clip is what holds that on, so that it can't get past that white roller. So I'm just gonna squeeze it on there like that, and look, now it can't get past there anymore. And now we can go ahead and slide the rack back in there. All right, so I'm just gonna set it on top like that on that side, and the same on this side, and then just kind of weave it in there like so. Excellent. Okay, and now it is working properly again.